Guys, do you think a hard hat can save your life? Oh, who forgot? This is Johnny, and he always helps me test different. Well, you have to see it for yourself. There are the videos on the channel. Once Johnny checked why hard hats are worn at factories. In that video, only the hard hat suffered. Johnny remained intact. Well, almost intact. Just watch it. Just this small burn. Today, Johnny will pretend to be a builder. Yes, a regular builder, and personally check how hard hat will cope with a brick, a watermelon, there are different situations, and a huge block of ice. I really wanna see the last part. But Johnny doesn't know yet what's gonna happen. Okay, let's start with the simplest. Something not so solid and heavy, but juicy. Let's do it. Holy, that was too epic! For some reason, it seems to me that Johnny doesn't like watermelons very much. Do you think so too? Okay, let's make it more complicated, although I think this is the most real scenario at the construction site. By the way, what are your bets? Will a hard hat withstand a brick fall or not? If you would ask me, I think it's gonna be okay. So, let's just drop it. Yes, guys, the hard hat is intact, which means that it must be worn at a construction site. Hey dude, are you okay? Looks like you are. Okay, Johnny, the last test for today. I hope you will do it. The hardest thing is to aim the first time since the block is very heavy and slippery. Okay, we are ready. Well, Johnny, good luck to you, my friend. Holy sh... It's unbelievable. Guys, I don't know how hard hat is, but the block and that brick are broken into pieces. Just look at this. Oh man, and Johnny? And Johnny, he is safe. Unbelievable. The hard hat was able to protect him from a block of ice. Holy. But do not forget that hard hat is powerless against a kettlebell. Guys, who want more videos with Johnny? You know what to do. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.